Hello everyone, welcome back to Global Desk with Damilola. If you've been thinking about starting your online career or you're already working online but not getting the results you expected, this video is for you. Today I'll be sharing the 3 golden rules for working online, the same rules that have guided me and hundreds of other freelancers to build trusted profiles, attract real clients, and earn steady income online. And guess what? These are the exact principles that separate successful freelancers from those who get frustrated and give up. So please grab your notepad because you're going to need it. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And please turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my daily freelancing tutorials. Before you dive into the world of freelancing, there are 3 golden rules every Nigerian and even African must understand and follow. These rules will save you from scams, wasted efforts, and disappointments, and they will set you up for long-term success. The first rule is never pay to get a job online. Online work doesn't operate like the offline hustle we are used to in Nigeria or in Africa. Genuine clients will never ask you to pay them before giving you a job. So if someone requests payment, training fees, or registration money before offering you a task, that is a big red flag. It is a scam. Remember, you are the one providing value, not the other way around. Real online jobs pay you and not the reverse. So whenever you see phrases like pay first to secure your job, just walk away. Also remember this simple truth. If you must pay before you work, it is not a job, it is a fraud. The number 2 rule is that you should not start working without an upfront payment called a milestone. In freelancing, we use something called a milestone or escrow system. This means the client must deposit part of the money before you begin. This system protects you from clients who may disappear after you've done the work. So let's say you're offered a $500 job. You can agree that the client pays $100 or $200 upfront before you start. That payment shows seriousness and commitment. If the client refuses, that is a big warning. Genuine clients understand milestones. They don't hesitate to put your milestones in your project and they won't even argue about it. So the rule is simple. No milestone, no work. It is better to lose a fake client than lose your effort and not get paid. So these are screenshots of when a client awards you a project. You can see here, congratulations, your bid has been awarded. Click the accept button below to start. So when you click the accept button, it tells you, it tells the client, and it tells the freelancing website you're working on that you have begun the work. So after which, make sure your client creates a milestone for you. You can see this second screenshot shows that a client has created a milestone. For those who does not know how to go about this is what it looks like. When a milestone is created for you, you would see it in your project. It shows like this. This is an example. You see so person created a milestone for the name of the project and the amount of the milestone. You can see that the amount of the milestone here is $60. Now the next screenshot shows when the client released the payment, that is after the job was delivered. For this job, it was a transcription job. So after the transcription job was delivered, you can see that the client has released the milestone of the first one is for $60 and the second one is for $25. So this is what it looks like for a client to create a milestone for you, to put a part of the payment or the full payment in your project. That assures you, that is an assurance that at the end of your project you will be paid. The number three rule is identify and work for the right clients. Good clients will pay you a fair wage and on time. They will communicate with you respectfully. They will appreciate your efforts and they will continue to offer consistent work. Not every client you meet online will treat you right anyway. So some will be respectful and consistent, others will waste your time. So good clients are easy to identify. As I said before, they pay fairly and on time. They communicate with respect and clarity. They leave you great feedback and often return for more work. They also value your time and skill. So when you focus on building relationships with good clients, your online career becomes enjoyable, stable, and profitable. Remember, your reputation attracts better clients. Final thoughts. These three rules might sound simple, but they are the foundation of online success. If you follow them faithfully, you'll avoid scams, build trust, and grow faster than most freelancers. Kindly follow these three rules and you work confidently, you would avoid scams, and you grow your freelancing career the smart way. Remember, online work rewards wisdom, not speed. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Global Desk with Damilola, where I'll continue teaching you practical ways to build your freelancing career and start earning online. Thanks for taking the time to join me today. See you in the next one. Bye bye.